I went to Costco for one thing, and this is what happened. Hi everyone, I'm Ahmed. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. If you watched my Facebook story a couple of days ago, I told you that I went to Costco. It wasn't planned. I typically don't like going to Costco because it's super crowded, but I happened to be there on a Thursday night and it was really empty. And instead of just picking the one item I actually went there for, I landed up buying a ton of items. Recently, I've been trying to eat healthy during 40 days of Lent, and it's a great way to detox, and I also wanted to get my health back into order. So I decided to pick up a bunch of really healthy items from Costco, and I'm going to show you what I picked up. Before I go any further, make sure you subscribe to my channel and ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now let me show you what I bought. The first thing I picked up is this box of rotisserie chicken. Now actually I picked up 3 boxes. I always go to Costco and we pick up the big rotisserie chicken, but I discovered this box that they probably make too much rotisserie chicken, and when they can't put it on the counter anymore, they put it into this box, and it's about $4.99 or $5, and there's like 4 pieces of chicken legs, which are amazing. It's the chicken drumstick as well as the thigh. I thought it was such a great deal. It's great for lunches or dinners. Just serve it with a side salad and you're good to go. Next thing I got are these mini cucumbers. Now the actual bigger cucumbers were a bit cheaper, but I thought this was a great option. You can throw a couple into a Ziploc bag and I can take it to lunch, or I can put a couple in a bag and send it with my son to school, and they're easy to snack on and keep your cravings at bay. Now this I'm really excited to try. These are Shisito peppers. I've never tried them before, but I'm hearing a lot about these peppers from fellow bloggers and YouTubers, and the instructions are on the bag, and apparently 1 in every, I don't know, 40 or 1 in every 30 are super spicy. So if you get a spicy one, that's your bad luck. But I'm going to try these because I've heard so much about it, and I can't wait to get to this later. Shrimp. There is always a great deal on shrimp at Costco. I picked up this raw shrimp. Later on today, I'm going to be taping another video for shrimp pakoras, and I think this shrimp would be amazing in that recipe. This has got to be my most favorite Costco salad. It's a quinoa salad, and it has little bits of mung bean in it, and I've also replicated this recipe, and it's on Cravings Food Adventures, so you can check that out. But every now and then I just pick it up because it's easier. Costco always has a great deal on bread. Now, this is white bread. My husband and my son actually prefer white bread. I don't eat a lot of bread myself, but this comes in a pack of 2, and it's really handy. You just stick one in the fridge and you leave one on the counter, and it's a great deal. Ugh. One of the things I love to pick up are these whole chickens. Now, these chickens, obviously, I'm not going to cook all 3 together unless I'm having a party. But what I do is I will marinate one, and the other 2, I will either marinate them and freeze them, or I'll just freeze them as is and marinate them later. And these cook amazingly well in my Instant Pot. Check out my lemon garlic chicken recipe. You can basically put any kind of marinade on that chicken, and if you have an Instant Pot, just throw it in your Instant Pot and you're going to have a fantastic meal, and all the leftovers from that chicken are going to make great other recipes as well. These are my favorite. These are turkey pepperoni snacks. They're actually just made with turkey, and they're only 50 grams every little sausage. They also contain 6 grams of protein, so it's really good for you. I take a couple of these with me to work, and whenever I'm feeling really hungry, you know, instead of reaching out for a bag of chips or something really bad, you just eat one of these little turkey sausages and you feel really full fast. Eggs. As you can see, some of the eggs have already been eaten because, like I mentioned, we brought this on Thursday. This is a set of 30 eggs, and eggs go really quickly in my house. In fact, I think this will probably just last for about half the week. I boil a lot of my eggs, especially on Sundays, and then everyone has a boiled egg to take with them. I myself take a boiled egg with me every day to work, and it's a great source of protein. These are gorgeous. I found these beautiful Portabello mushroom caps. They always have them, but this time they looked particularly fresh. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm probably going to make some sort of mixture with that shrimp I showed you earlier, and I'm going to bake these in the oven, and they're going to be a really delicious and very healthy meal. I'm tired of the same old salad, so this time I picked up a Thai-style chili mango. I know it's going to have tons of flavor. I love Thai food anyway, and I think this is going to make a lovely addition to my weekday lunches. Salmon. We love smoked salmon, especially my son. He can literally eat this whole package, so I tend to get it home, I defrost it, and then I put them in individual bags, and then he can make sandwiches for himself when he comes home from school, or he literally will just snack on it as is. I love salmon as well. I love to make really trendy appetizers with them. You have to eat it in small quantities though. It can be high in calories, but it is absolutely delicious. Broccoli. I'm not the kind that usually buys bagged broccoli. Typically, I will buy broccoli from a regular store and I will cut it up myself. But in the interest of making dishes really quickly, I decided to pick up this bag. It wasn't terribly expensive, and I thought it would be great for me to make quick stir fries, especially when I come home from work. I usually come home by 6:30, and there's not a ton of time to prepare dinner. So this will make my life a little bit easier. Ooh, mussels. Oh, I haven't had these mussels in a while. I did actually use this a couple, maybe 1 or 2 years ago. I did a Thai-style mussel recipe, and I think I'm going to do either red curry mussel or maybe a Goan recipe. I'm not really sure, but these mussels are going to be delicious. And finally, last not least, I always get a bag of milk. Typically, we'll go through a bag of milk every week or so, and this is 2% milk. Great price always at Costco, and it's going to be delicious. Those are all of my items. I really hope you enjoyed my Costco grocery haul, so you can get inspired when you go to Costco and pick up some of these items as well. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, guys. Share my channel as well as my videos with your family friends, and make sure to ring the bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And be sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Until I see you next time, do take care. Bye.